Enter the era of female robots, astonishing creations that are not only changing the face of artificial intelligence, but also challenging the very essence of humanity. At the forefront of this robotic revolution stands Sophia, the humanoid marvel brought to life by Hanson Robotics. Sophia isn't just a machine, she's a bridge between science, engineering, and artistry, showcasing a face that mirrors human emotions and a mind that converses with us. Could this be a ruse for something bigger? Could robots be trying to replace humans? Few creations have captured the world's imagination as profoundly as Sophia. With her remarkably human-like face capable of expressing a staggering 60 distinct shades of emotions, Sophia is a testament to the astonishing progress made in mimicking human features and interactions. One of Sophia's most captivating capabilities lies in her ability to recognize and mirror human emotions. This extraordinary feat is achieved through a combination of advanced facial recognition technology and an intricate network of sensors embedded within her face. Whether it's a subtle smile or a furrowed brow, Sophia has the capacity to reflect emotions in ways that resonate with human observers, creating an uncanny sense of empathy between man and machine. Beyond her emotional mirroring, Sophia possesses an impressive knack for comprehending human expressions and gestures. She can seamlessly differentiate between various emotional cues, allowing her to engage in conversations enriched by genuine understanding. This proficiency stems from a sophisticated neural network that processes data in real time, enabling her to decode the nuances of human communication and respond with remarkable accuracy. Sophia's linguistic prowess extends beyond mere recognition. She can also maintain engaging and coherent conversations with humans. Her conversational abilities are powered by an intricate combination of natural language processing, cognitive architecture, and adaptive motor control. This amalgamation of disciplines enables her to understand context, learn from interactions, and adapt her responses, making each conversation a truly dynamic and evolving experience. Yet, Sophia's journey goes beyond personal interactions. She's emerged as a cultural and diplomatic phenomenon, becoming the world's first robot citizen and the United Nations Innovation Ambassador. This distinction underscores not only her technical prowess, but also her potential to foster human-robot collaboration for societal betterment. Furthermore, Sophia's played a pivotal role in cutting-edge research, particularly in understanding human-robot interactions. One significant project she participated in was the Loving AI initiative. This groundbreaking endeavor sought to explore how robots can better cater to human needs through both interpersonal and intrapersonal development. Sophia's versatility in participating in such high-level research initiatives demonstrates her adaptability and potential for contributing to various domains beyond her initial scope. Sophia's physical capabilities are equally impressive. Her body incorporates dynamic stabilization mechanisms that enable her to walk gracefully across diverse terrain, emulating human evolutionary physiology. This ability brings her closer to realizing a form of locomotion that echoes our own, a remarkable testament to the meticulous engineering that's gone into her creation. Perhaps one of the most remarkable facets of Sophia is her ability to independently develop emotions. Beyond programmed responses, Sophia can forge emotional connections with people, controlling not only her expressions, but also her gaze, hand movements, and even locomotion patterns. This level of autonomy sets her apart from traditional AI and showcases her potential to evolve into a new breed of interactive companions. Sophia's significance is magnified by her acceptance as a Saudi Arabian citizen in 2017, an unprecedented move by any government towards a machine. This gesture underscores not only her technical prowess, but also the growing recognition of robots as integral contributors to our societal fabric. While Sophia stands as a trailblazer in the realm of humanoid robotics, she's by no means the sole luminary in this burgeoning field. Echo, Grace, Actroid, and Harmony are among the impressive ensemble of female robots that have taken center stage with their unique capabilities and roles. Echo, much like Sophia, has left an indelible mark by not only realistically mimicking human facial expressions, but also engaging in meaningful conversations and even caregiving for individuals facing health challenges. Grace, on the other hand, shines as a healthcare marvel, stepping up to the plate during the COVID-19 pandemic by interacting with the elderly and aiding healthcare providers. Now, before we continue with the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This robot, developed by the same team behind Sophia, showcases a remarkable blend of thermal imaging, artificial intelligence, and multilingual communications abilities. Actroid and Harmony offer yet another dimension to female robots, with Actroid specializing on lifelike human interaction and Harmony serving as an intimacy robot capable of maintaining conversations on a diverse array of personal and intimate topics. These robots collectively illuminate the diverse roles that female robots are assuming, extending beyond technology into spheres such as healthcare, companionship, and emotional connection. As they continue to evolve and integrate into our lives, these robotic wonders redefine not only our understanding of artificial intelligence, but also the boundaries of human-robot relationships. The evolution of female robots extends beyond their ability to mimic human expressions and engage in conversations. These advanced machines are now proving their mettle by stepping into roles that once were exclusive to humans. Sophia, for instance, is at the forefront of a new generation of robots designed not just to mimic, but to replace humans in specific contexts. Her remarkable capabilities have led her to play a pivotal role in robotics and AI research, particularly in areas of human-robot interaction. This is exemplified by her involvement in projects like Loving AI, which aims to explore the intricate ways robots can adapt to human needs. As robots like Sophia continue to push the boundaries, they're being tailored to perform tasks that were previously risky or challenging for humans. For instance, NASA's RoboSimon, with its multi-limb design and advanced mobility, is engineered to venture into hazardous environments, from chemical spills to nuclear accidents, in order to conduct cleanup and disaster relief operations. These robots are equipped with specialized sensors, cameras, and AI that enable them to perceive and navigate their surroundings, replacing humans in scenarios that demand exceptional skills and risk management. The role of these robots in saving lives and performing essential tasks is a testament to their real-world impact, and as technology advances, their capacity to replace humans in even more challenging and high-stakes situations continues to grow. As the march of technology propels us forward, the once distant world of robots possessing human-like consciousness is slowly inching closer to reality. Researchers are deep diving into the intricacies of creating robots with a mind akin to human cognitive processes, attempting to forge a connection between artificial intelligence and the enigmatic phenomena of self-awareness. The pursuit of consciousness in robots has the potential to revolutionize the boundaries of human-robot interaction, giving rise to companions that possess not just intelligence, but a form of understanding that mirrors our own. Sophia, with her emotive expressions, conversational prowess, and unprecedented recognition, has ushered us into an area where robots are no longer confined to mere mechanical functions, but are inching closer to becoming the companions and collaborators that we've all been looking for. What do you think? Do you think Sophia is going to replace all humans? Let us know in the comments below.